My dear ones, today again we have a Saturday, and you know that this is the day for speaking, and you have to speak upon a topic that is given to you. And today I am giving you the topic that you like the most. Can you tell me what do you like the most?
Sakrat, our parents.
Or
Hmm.
guess,
Myself.
guess, guess,
छुट्टी
guess,
Living or living?
guess, guess,
Sir, non-living या living?
guess, 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 guess,
फोन
guess.
या
Phone
छुट्टी
diyo yaar every time.
Sir,
Yes, come
don't
on,
tell us.
chutti. Yes, holidays. Holidays is a thing that you
सर ये
yaar.
हो चुका 2-3 बार
कोई बात नहीं है.
सर बहुत बार सर
Once
दोबारा
again, once
उसका
again,
कर दो सर
once
टॉपिक.
again.
Good evening, sir. Good
Very
evening.
good evening. So, start giving your names in the
Topic holiday.
yes holidays. What do you do? Change होना चाहिए कुछ नया आना चाहिए. Okay. So start giving your names. Hurry up. Yes, come on. I have got the names. Archit, Gaurav. Oh, Gaurav, you are on the second turn. Rohit, or okay, very good, very good. So now, very good. I've got many names. So I'm starting.
मैं बैठा हुआ हूँ कि कौन फर्स्ट में डाले और मैं
So
सेकंड पे
I'm
डालूं.
starting with Harshit. Come on, Harshit. Hurry up.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit Mora. I'm the student of Raman Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is holidays. Holidays are very important for us and everyone, those who are busy in their life, like the life of students, the person who are working in office, and many more. It is such a type of leave in which we can take rest from our
Shabash.
working life
Very good.
so that we can relax ourselves and start a new work that is with full of our क्या बोल that is with our full confidence and concentration.
Hmm.
Holidays are very important for us because in the time at the time when we are in our holidays we can use to do many things
Hmm.
such as we can do gardening, uh, farming, playing, etc., which makes us our body happy.
Hmm.
And by this mindset, all the students are happy by listening the name of holidays.
Hmm.
Holidays are decided by government according to the need, such as the need that such as the needs in summer, winter, and many more.
Hmm.
And holidays should be given everywhere so that the workers who are working in office can get some time to make themselves relax and get a time to come out of their work so that they can enjoy their life too.
Hmm.
And in this busy world everyone is busy in his or her work,
Hmm.
but no one thinks about his hobby,
Very good.
his passion, and he thinks about nothing.
Hmm.
Only thinks about his work, and his work.
Shabash. Hmm.
And to come out of this work, there are holidays in which we can be free from our works, and we can do all the possible things that we used to think in our life.
Hmm.
And as we are students, and we all need holidays so that we can make ourselves able to understand many things and can learn
Hmm.
out of textbooks,
Very good.
like we can know about the world which we can't in textbooks.
Hmm.
And holidays are very important in my view. That's it, sir.
Very good. Nice speaking. Very good. Shabash, beta. Yes, now this is the turn of Gaurav.
Yes, sir. Today, today I'm Garvin. Today is my topic holidays. Holidays are very joyful days for students and students like these days. And there is a public holiday called Sunday. On Sunday, there is a public holiday and a compulsory holiday for students to relax and to do their and spend their time with their loved ones. And holidays are of many types: is festival holidays, occasion holidays, and national holidays. National holidays are like some reason of politics or like Gandhi Jayanti and other occasions. Occasion festival is like if there is something in school or something function in school that student can't attend, so there is a holiday. And also there are festival holidays that Diwali holidays, and usually festival holidays are for a long period of time, like 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, and even 1 month. Like summer holidays and winter holidays are of 1 month or almost 1 month.
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो, वेरी गुड। ऐसे ही फोकस करके बोला करो। हाँ,
And many festival holidays like Sakrat and Raksha Bandhan are of only 1 day, are for only 1 day, and but all holidays are very joyful for students, and the government gave holidays to give time to students or workers to spend time with their loved ones. Thank you, sir. That's
वेरी गुड, नाइस स्पीकिंग। आज बहुत अच्छे से बोला, हड़बड़ाहट नहीं थी आज। ऐसे बोलना चाहिए हमेशा, परफॉर्मेंस अपना बेस्ट करना चाहिए हमेशा, और अच्छा करने की कोशिश करना नेक्स्ट टाइम। ओके बेटा, शाबाश, कीप इट अप। यस, कम ऑन रोहित।
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav, and today I'm going to tell you about holidays.
हाँ,
As we all know that in our busy life, we all get some some days on which we don't have any work, or we can say that that days are holidays. As we all know that on holidays people usually do the things which they like the most, like some sportsmen people play their favorite sports, and some people who are interested in a general knowledge, watching news in their TV and lying in their on their bed. And as you all know that holidays are very important for our mind, because on holidays our mind get relaxed, and holidays also play a vital role in growing the economy, because as we can see that when there are holidays, people don't like to stay at their home. They want that they should go somewhere and enjoy their holiday,
शाबाश, वेरी गुड। हाँ,
and they go from place to place and visit some monuments, or we can say some places which are present in
वेरी
their
गुड,
city,
शाबाश,
and the money come in circulation,
वेरी
as the
गुड।
as the many people get employment, because like them if they will go to some
बहुत बढ़िया।
if they will go to some place, then then the
हाँ,
transport
नाइस यूज, नाइस यूज,
um,
नाइस यूज, नाइस यूज, बहुत अच्छा, शाबाश।
then the transport then in transport they will spend money in eating and in all types of things. The money will circulate, and economy will grow for country. So that's why holidays are given for not just one reason. Holidays are given for many reasons in our country, in all over the world. And as you all know that students study for a whole week, and they get one day like as in one day in their whole week for relaxing their mind, and and studying the extra knowledge. Like in schools we are not in schools we are not we do not learn all the things. Some things we should know by our own, and that we can do on holidays by increasing our knowledge. And that's it, sir.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। अब देखो, यूज किया ना तुमने, तुमको मैंने बीच में वो करवाया था अभी, वो टूरिज्म वाला, उसका थोड़ा सा पार्ट यूज कर दिया ना आपने। ऐसे इम्प्रूवमेंट होता है बेटा चीजों का। वही तो चीजें जो आप चीजें आपके पास में आ रही हैं, यूज करो उनको आप आगे, तो आपका और स्किल, यही स्किल, इसी को स्किल डेवलपमेंट कहते हैं। ओके,
सर मतलब दूसरी चीजों से सीख के अपनी और
बिल्कुल
चीजों में
बिल्कुल, अपने को
सुधार
डेवलप
लाना।
करो ना। आप अपने आप को डेवलप करो, अपने आप को रटने से क्या होता है? कुछ नहीं होता। चीजों को बढ़ाओ, चीजों को इम्प्रूव करो डे बाय डे, अपनी समझ बढ़ाओ। समझ बढ़ेगी तो अपने आप थॉट्स आएंगे तो अपने आप बोलोगे, बढ़िया बोलोगे। होलसम डेवलपमेंट होना चाहिए। यस, कम ऑन हर्ष।
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening. My name is Harshad and today my topic is holidays. As we all know, as we all know that there are 7 days in a week, and one day known as the Sunday is a holiday.
Hmm.
A holiday is a day on which we are free from our all works and we
सुनो
can do
सुनो
anything.
सब ध्यान से सुना करो एक दूसरे को बहुत अच्छे से, बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट होगा सुनने से। हाँ।
We can do anything which we want.
हम्म।
Like we can entertain ourselves by watching TV and mobile.
हम्म।
We can improve our knowledge by watching news.
हम्म।
Uh, we can play sports and make us physically fit.
हम्म।
We can do yoga in morning,
हम्म।
which makes us mentally fit.
हम्म।
So there are many things on which we can do on holiday.
हम्म।
Holidays are of two types. First are day-to-day holidays like Sunday or Makar Sankranti, etc. These occasions have only 1 or 2 day holiday. And second is vacations. On vacations, we get holiday of more than 5 days and even of 1 month, like summer vacations. And vacations are the only time when we can go to any other place to visit that. Like in summer vacations, we can uh, we can go to our village if we are living in city, and we can go to uh, any other state or out of our town to visit anything.
शाबाश शाबाश।
And holidays are given for many reasons. Like in a previous class, we talked about tourism. If there will be holiday, then tourism will be more, and tourism will be more, then economy will be higher. So there are many things which holiday can do for us or for our country to improve us and our country. That's it.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। बहुत, देखो कहाँ कहाँ से अपन कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं चीजों को। वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस। यही तो चाहिए अपने को, और क्या चाहिए। इसी को डेवलपमेंट कहते हैं, बच्चे ध्यान रखना आप।
सर
हाँ।
सर मतलब अगर हम दूसरी चीजों से चीजें अडॉप्ट करके अपनी और चीजों को इम्प्रूव करें तो उसे क्या कहते हैं?
दिस इज द ओनली वे। दिस इज द वे यू आर मूविंग अपॉन द वे ऑफ मेकिंग योर सेल्फ परफेक्ट। ये आपको इंटरनली इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग कर देती हैं ये चीजें कि आप अंदाजा नहीं लगा सकते हो। आपकी कैपेसिटी कितनी डेवलप हो जाती है उस चीज से, आपकी समझ बढ़ती है उससे। समझ जब आपकी बढ़ने लग जाएगी एक बार, फिर आप चीजों को यूं समझने लग जाओगे, इंटर रिलेट करने लग जाओगे, इंटर कनेक्ट करने लग जाओगे। दैट इज द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ योर माइंड। देन तब आता है मजा। यस, कम ऑन रक्षित।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Akshat Maurya. Today I am telling about holiday. As you all know that holidays are very important. By hearing the statement of getting holiday, everyone gets happy.
हाँ, शाबाश। हाँ।
And because on holiday there is we everyone is free from burden and he get relaxed from the tiredness that he get by doing the work a whole week or whole day. and holidays are given for this reason, for this reason. And may and in every week there is a holiday for students and government who do government jobs mostly. That is the day of Sunday when there is the holiday for them, and they get relaxed from the tiredness
वेरी गुड। हाँ।
of the whole week. They have of the whole week the work they have done. And so that and on Sunday they get a lot of rest and gets recharged.
वेरी
And
गुड।
on the next day they can do work with more energy.
शाबाश।
And holidays play a very important role, because and if you are free on holidays, so you can do many things that you like you can play, you can you can read books so that you can improve your skills, and you can learn something from that thing.
Very good.
And and as you all know that in as you all know that in a student life, in school life, students get a long period of holiday that we say vacations, and these are given because so that so that a student can improve his skills and can enjoy them. And and if a and if a person gets holiday of many days, he or she can visit any tourism place so that he or she get relaxed, because when we visit a tourism place, we enjoy and we get more happy, and we are free from burden.
Shabash. Very good.
And and uh, and so this way holidays are important and should be given. And sir, that's it.
वेरी गुड यार, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया। हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट होता है, हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ जुड़ता है। आप ऐसे मत सोचो कि पहले आपने जो बोला था। मैं आपको एक बात और बताऊं, आप अगर कोई टेक्स्ट रीड कर रहे हो ना, सो इफ you will read that text second time, you will find definitely some new things in that. New things matlab you will have, by that time you would have changed your view of watching anything.
ये सर सही से समझ में आ जाता है दूसरी
सही से
बारी
समझ
में
में नहीं,
भी।
आपको कुछ और नजर आएगा जो आपको पहली बार में दिखाई नहीं दिया था। आपको हो गया यार, पिछली बार तो मेरे को ये चीज इसमें नजर नहीं आई थी। टेक्स्ट नहीं बदला है, बट हमारा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू जो है ना, हमारा देखने का, हमारी समझ बढ़ गई, तो हम उस समझ के हिसाब से चीजों को देखते हैं और समझते हैं। फिर ये बात
सर
ध्यान
नजरिया
रखिएगा,
बदल गया।
नजरिया बदलता है आपका, उस हिसाब से आप चीजों को समझते हैं फिर। सो दिस, ओके, वेरी नाइस, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश, यस, कम ऑन। और नाउ आई एम कॉलिंग सुशील।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am a student of the Ramban online interactive classes from 16. And today my topic is holidays. As we know that we remain busy in our works. Like if we are students, so we remain busy in doing our homework and in our examinations, etc. And if we see that employees are also busy because they work 12 hours to 14 hours.
Very good, shabash.
And as we know that we are human beings, we are not machine. So we also need to take rest.
Very good.
So there is a day which is very important for all. That is Sunday. And students and I think that all wait for it because on this day all employees and students are free from their work, and and they can use it in different ways, like students can complete their homework, and they can also read books, and they can also increase their knowledge, and that will be very helpful full in their exams. And we can also go to for shopping, and employees can enjoy with their family, and we can also go for to parks, malls, and if we go to somewhere, so we also have joy, and we become free from our tiredness.
Very good.
And it also increase our GDP, because when we go to somewhere, so we have to pay and the money circulate everywhere.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया.
So keeping these points, I think that holidays are very important, sir. That's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड, बहुत
Thank you,
बढ़िया है.
sir.
सब कुछ ठीक है, कोई चिंता करने की बात नहीं है. एवरीथिंग इज नाइस. एफर्ट्स करते रहो. परफेक्ट, नो वन इज परफेक्ट इन दिस वर्ल्ड, बट यू कैन मूव टुवर्ड्स परफेक्टनेस
Yes,
by
sir.
developing your skills, by practicing. Okay, yes, come on, Komal.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Komal Berga and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Class from batch 11 and today my topic is holidays. We all know that we are human beings and we have many occupations and in the present time, men and women and also adults go to their workplace to earn money and learn skills and also students go to their workplace to learn skills and take education and all people need rest and all people need holidays and
Hmm.
we all know that we are not a machine and we have many workloads so we need rest and holiday is liked by all people and mm, holiday is not a word, it is a emotion word and it is a happy word to like by all people and we all know that we are Hindus and we have many festivals so we have many holidays in a in a year
Hmm.
and in the summer we have many holidays to to be to be enjoy this to be enjoy this season
Hmm.
and in the winter season also we have many holidays like 10 days and in a week we have a holiday it is called Sunday and the holiday is very important for us because most of the people do their pending work on this day
शाबाश.
and
Hmm.
all people take rest on this day because in the 6 days they have many working load so they think that it is a Sunday and we have to take rest on this day
Hmm.
and most of the people enjoyed that day with their family
शाबाश.
and the
Hmm.
students do their pending work on this day and most of the children sorry playing games and watching TV and watching mobile phone also and it is a Sunday is the very helping and happy day for all
Hmm.
and holiday is very necessary and important day. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बोलने लग गया बेटा, वेरी गुड. बस ऐसी कोशिश करते रहो बस, है ना. यस, शाबाश. नाउ वैष्णवी.
Yes, sir. Good evening, all of you. My name is Vaishnavi, and today again we have a speaking session.
वेरी गुड,
So
शाबाश. नाइस, वेरी गुड, कम ऑन. हाँ.
today our topic is holidays.
Hmm.
As you know that we are human beings and we work out and we do work
Hmm.
and our brains feel very tired
Hmm.
and
शाबाश. Hmm.
we have to sorry we need holiday
Hmm.
and because holiday is a very important
Hmm.
and we can go anywhere with our family
बहुत बढ़िया. Hmm.
like other towns
Hmm.
other countries etc
Hmm. Hmm.
and there are many holidays like winter holiday summer holiday
Hmm.
etc
Hmm.
and as you know that the month of December is going on
Hmm. शाबाश, बहुत
so
अच्छा बोल रही है. बोल, घबरा मत बिल्कुल भी. हाँ.
the winter vacation is coming will be
हाँ,
will
इज
come
कमिंग, ठीक है, इज कमिंग. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, ठीक है. हाँ.
and
नेचुरल तरीके से बोलने लग गई अब तू, वैसे ही बोल, बस घबरा मत बिल्कुल भी।
yes,
हाँ।
sir. And I love holidays so much, and I go to my village in holidays with
Very-
my family,
शाबाश, वेरी गुड।
and I like the Sunday so much, and I feel very tensed out,
बहुत बढ़िया।
and I go to with my family. I go to with my family on every Sunday. And as we know that we are students, we do our homework daily, and we feel very tired and tensed
शाबाश शाबाश, हाँ बोलती
about
रहे।
the homework. So we have to need the holiday, and in my view, holidays are very important for the students.
Only for the students?
Yes, sir, for all.
For all.
For all.
Very good. But you know, there is one person who has no holiday.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me who is that person?
Teacher?
Mother.
Mother.
Mother. Homemaker, housewife.
Yes,
She has,
sir.
or you can say that she has more work than other days on holiday. Yes, come on. Carry on. Or carry on करो बेटा.
Yes, sir, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड। घबराया मत कर, घबराना क्या है? हाँ, ऐसे सीखेंगे, ऐसे ही बढ़ते हैं आगे बेटा। हाँ, परफेक्शन धीरे धीरे आता है बेटा, एकदम से नहीं आता है। अच्छा अच्छा है, आप अच्छा कर रहे हो, बस अच्छे कोशिश करते रहो। यस, कबीर भाई।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Kabir. I am the student of Rambad English Interactive Classes from HP18. Today's my topic is holidays. As you know that we are human beings and we want to relax on one
Very.
and that day is holiday. It is come on in every 1 week called Sunday. In this day, some students do their work, some students play with their play with their friends, and some students go to visit places.
ठीक है।
There are many people which don't have holiday, like mother, also my father, because my father is a shopkeeper and my mother is a householder.
Very good.
So they don't want holiday.
हाँ, शाबाश।
In holiday, I also go and play with my friends. Sometimes I go to visit Akshay Patra with my friends by the help of cycle.
हाँ, शाबाश।
On the Sunday, I also go to my father's shop
शाबाश शाबाश,
to help.
हाँ।
Holiday is important for all. There are many holidays come in a year, like winter holidays, summer holidays, Sunday, festivals holidays, etc.
शाबाश शाबाश।
In these days, we can enjoy and play with our parents, and our family also.
in holiday there are many um, holiday is important for overall because this day all people do rest and relax their body.
Shabash.
In my views, holiday is useful for all.
हम्म,
Yes sir, that's it.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड। करते रहो कोशिश, करते रहो बेटा। एंड यस नाउ लक्ष्मी गुजर।
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today our topic is holiday.
हम्म,
Holiday is a precious day because this day we get up late and
holiday is a precious day because we gave, वाह बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश, बोलती रहे ऐसे ही, अच्छा लग
and
रहा है बोल। हाँ
there, there is and there is a 7 day. One day remain Sunday,
हम्म,
and this day we can do revision and we can play with our friends, and sometime we can watch news on TV. This day we remain with our family,
हाँ
and,
शाबाश।
and we enjoy with our family, and we can go to visit, and we can also go for shopping,
अरे शाबाश।
and we can improve our skill. This day our mind should remain peace, and
पीसफुल।
we are not
बोलो
we
बोलो।
are- we are not machine. We need holiday. We must need holiday,
मस्त, वेरी
and
गुड। खतरनाक होती जा रही है ये लड़की। हाँ
and there are two types of holidays: summer holidays and winter holidays. Winter holiday is coming soon, and
वेरी गुड।
this those days we can enjoy and we can watch TV, but 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 we should study this day
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी
because
नाइस। हाँ
because our paper is coming, and we and summer vacation is a very important for student because
हाँ
student
क्या मजा आ रहा
go
है।
to village, and
अरे
they
वाह यार। हाँ
they remain their family, and they all time can do play, and this day we can make new things in house, like 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 many things. We can cook new thing for eat, and there are many holidays, and the government give holidays for student, and student can relax our mind. That day we sometime we visit to another place, and we can learn many things, and we we can learn many things. Sometime we can visit to another country, and we get more happy that day. And sometime and some and Sunday is the best day for student, and student do not study that day because Sunday is a fun day that day. That's it, sir.
अरे अब बहुत बढ़िया बोलने लग गई तू तो है, तो जो मन में
हाँ
आता
सर।
वही बोलती है तू तो है। यही तो चाहिए था
हाँ
मेरे को,
सर।
स्पीक इंग्लिश एज यू विश। दैट इज द थिंग दैट आई वांटेड। शाबाश, नाइस, वेरी नाइस परफॉर्मेंस बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश। हाँ भैया, आवाज आओ, आदित्य भाई साहब। पधारो।
यस सर। सर आज का टॉपिक हॉलीडे है ना?
हाँ भाई साहब यही है,
यस सर।
56%
हेलो
टॉपिक है तुम्हारा। हाँ बोलो।
यस सर।
हम्म
हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज आदित्य दोनवत. I am the student of Ramband Online Interactive Classes from B18.
हम्म
Today's our topic is holiday.
हम्म
As you all know that holiday is a big thing of a child,
for a child.
for a child, and we enjoy the holiday.
हम्म
There are three types of holiday like summer holiday, winter holiday, or autumn break.
Okay. Some break, very good. हम्म
Some summer holidays only 50 days, and autumn breaks 10 days, and winter breaks is 10 days.
हम्म
We sleep more time in the holiday,
हम्म
and we get up very late, like 11 o'clock.
ओहो 11 o'clock, भाई गजब है तुम्हारा तो। आगे बोलो। शाबाश, वेरी गुड। हाँ
And one day we celebrate a holiday like Sunday. This day we watch mobile phones and television and etc. We play games. Our tired brain, we give a holiday our tired brain, and we
शाबाश, वेरी गुड, बोलते जाओ। हाँ
and our brain and take rest, and our brain and made strong,
becomes strong,
becomes
stronger.
strong.
हाँ stronger. हाँ
With the help of holiday, we sleep more time.
स्लीप मोर टाइम। आगे बोलो।
We we do holiday homework in the holidays, and this is very bad thing.
Okay.
But it is it's good thing of 50%.
50% गुड थिंग। अच्छा ठीक है, ओके आगे बोलो। हाँ
Last I say that holidays holiday is a very big thing.
बिग
जैसे
थिंग,
that is.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश, वेरी गुड। नाउ मुस्कान, बाकी के नाम लिखो भाई। आओ घबराओ मत, 2-3 ही तो बचे हैं, फटाफट नाम लिखो बेटा, शाबाश। हाँ भाई आ जाओ
Yes,
मुस्कान।
sir. Holiday is नहीं sir, sorry. Today my topic is holiday. Holiday are always the happy day.
वेरी गुड।
We enjoy a lot at home.
अरे बहुत बढ़िया, सब ऐसे बोलती रहे बस, धीरे धीरे, बहुत बढ़िया बोल रही है। हाँ
I love the winter holiday the most,
शाबाश।
and on this day some students prepare exam and do work,
प्रिपेयर फॉर एग्जाम। हाँ कोई बात नहीं, बोलो आगे बोलो।
and some students play.
हाँ बहुत बढ़िया बोल रही है, ऐसे धीरे धीरे बोल, थोड़ा 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 सा। हाँ बेटा। हाँ
Thus are the day when we
these are
spend.
the days। हाँ कोई बात नहीं, बोल बोल तू बोल। हाँ
These are the days when the spend time with our family. Holiday holiday relax our minds and body.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड, बोलते जाओ.
On this day, wake up late at 8 p.m. 8
वी वेक अप लेट. बोलो बोलो, आगे बोलो, फोकस करो और फोकस करो.
On this day, families going to
गो टू.
go to tour.
गो ऑन टूर्स. हाँ, आगे बोलो.
So, and holiday is important. Holiday is important on student life.
इन स्टूडेंट्स लाइफ.
In student. I like holiday. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बोला बेटा, शाबाश. कोशिश किया करो जैसे है ना बेटा. हाँ, वेरी गुड. थोड़ा थोड़ा सा करते करते आ जाएगा बेटा सब. यस, ओके. खुशी, खुशी गुजरा बेटा.
Yes, sir.
घबरा
Yes,
मत
sir.
बेटा, आराम से. थोड़ा जितना सुना है बोलो आराम से. 2 सेंटेंस, 4 सेंटेंस, 5 सेंटेंस, उसमें क्या है? ऐसे ही सीखते हैं सब. सबने ऐसे ही सीखा है बेटा, सब ऐसे ही धीरे धीरे आते हैं. हाँ, आओ बोलो.
There are a lot of festival. Sorry, there are a lot of holidays in our country, like festival holidays, summer holidays, winter holidays, and other occasion holidays,
शाबाश बेटा.
etc.
ऐसे धीरे धीरे बोलो, आराम से, तसल्ली से. बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो. हाँ.
People complete their incomplete work in this day.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. हाँ.
Our mind remain
पीसफुल. हाँ, ठीक है.
Children's like holidays very much because they can play outdoor and indoor games.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
We can visit other place in this day. People do their life activities in this day.
देयर फेवरेट एक्टिविटीज. कोई बात नहीं, बोलो तुम.
Their
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं है. ऐसे सीखते हैं बेटा.
We are very happy in this day.
ऑन दिस डे. या दिस डे बोल दो खाली. हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो.
That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बोला बेटा. हाँ, घबराना नहीं है. जो परफॉर्मेंस है बहुत अच्छा है. लेंथ बढ़ जाएगी अपने आप, स्पीड सब आ जाएगी. आपने 10 सेंटेंस भी बोले तो बहुत अच्छे बोले आपने, कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोले. सबके साथ होता है बेटा, है ना. ये आज जितने बोलते हुए दिखाई दे रहे हैं ना आपको, इसमें 3 कैटेगरीज हैं अपने पास में बेटा. तो आप भी उसी कैटेगरी में आ जाओगे धीरे धीरे. टाइम लगता है बेटा, सबको ही टाइम लगा है बेटा, है ना. हाँ. यस, खुशी बैरवा, आ जा बेटा. कहाँ गई, कहाँ गई?
Good evening, sir.
हाँ बेटा.
Today is my topic holiday. Holidays. Holidays are always the happy days.
वेरी गुड. हाँ.
We enjoy a lot at home. I love the summer holidays the most. We go to visit beautiful palace on holidays. These are the days when we spend time
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. हाँ.
which our family.
विद आवर फैमिली। बहुत बढ़िया सेंटेंस बनाया बेटा, शाबाश, ऐसे बस कोशिश करते रहो बेटा।
We all have a break from our busy schedule.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड।
Schedule. Holidays relax our mind. It gives us warm love and lot of happiness.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया।
That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बोला बेटा, बहुत अच्छे सेंटेंस बनाए, दो क्लोज के सेंटेंस बनाए तुमने, शाबाश, वेरी नाइस, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड। और कोई, सबका हो गया, कोई रह गया? ओके, सो नाइस परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ ऑल, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, कीप इट अप।